Hello class of 2022. This is just a very brief video describing how to find and take your pre-matriculation quizzes. If you'd rather read the instructions than hear them from me, there are written instructions at the very top of the September 5th, 2018 calendar page, right here, where all of the rest of your pre-matriculation study materials are stored. Again, this is in the class workspace for Rush Med 2022. If you'd rather listen to me, feel free to follow along with this video. You have a pre-matriculation quiz in each subject for which there is content in the September 5th folder. However, since Osmosis will only let us sort quiz questions by date and author, each one of the quizzes is housed on a different calendar day. Your pretest for microbiology and immunology is housed on August 30th. Your test for biochemistry is on August 31st. Your test for cell biology and histology is on September 1st. Your test for pharmacology is on September 2nd. Your test for pathology is on September 3rd. And your test for genetics is on September 4th. This order and these dates have nothing to do with the importance of the subjects. I want to say it again. This order and these dates have nothing to do with the importance of the subjects. Please take these quizzes as soon as possible and in any order that makes sense to you. I just chose these dates so that they would be close to your study materials on September 5th and easy for you to find. So for the sake of example, I'm going to go to the microimmuno quiz, which is found on August 30th, as I said before. And I'm in the Rush Med 2022 workspace and on the calendar page. And I'm going to click, so I've clicked on August 30th, and you can see that there's this document here, and this really is not important. It's just the anchor that I attached the quiz questions to. To the right of this document is the Quiz Yourself button. So when I click that button, a new window pops up, and that's the Quiz by Calendar pop-up window. So we want only questions that are anchored to August 30th. So I'm going to click Day over here on the left-hand side, and then because you can't see it, the second thing I need to do is make sure that I am selecting other questions down at the bottom of the left-hand side. I just realized I said day was on the left. It's on the right. You'll know you're a real doctor when you start confusing left and right. You want day on the right, other questions on the left, and then in the center here, make sure that you're taking the correct day. So as I said before, want to take the microimmuno, it needs to be on August 30th. If you wanted to take the biochemistry, you'd want it on August 31st, etc., etc. The rest of these settings are totally fine. You can see up here that there are 14 available items, which is the correct number for the microimmuno quiz. So once you have the day correct and you've selected other questions, you're going to hit Build Quiz. And for you, mine are green because I already took this quiz, but for you it'll be gray. It'll say that there's 14 new questions. That's all you have to do, just hit Start Quiz, and you can take the quiz. I do just want to reiterate that none of these quizzes are for credit, and they're all designed to assess where you're at. So if you ace one, that's awesome. You probably don't have to slave over that content too much this summer. Just give it a quick review before you start school. But if you have no idea what's going on in one of these quizzes, you'll probably want to go over the materials for that discipline more carefully. Again, if I haven't said it enough, all of the pre-matriculation study material that you are responsible for can be found in the Rush Med 2022 workspace under September 5th. And here it is. You can see almost all of the subjects are up, and by the time you're viewing this material, all of the subjects will be available to you. And of course, as always, if you have any questions, troubles, comments, concerns, thoughts, feel free to contact me at abigail_z_huntley@rush.edu. Happy studying, and see you in the next video.